At Breeze Thru, water conservation is built into everything we do. We're committed to responsible water use and clean, safe chemistry because we care about how much water we use and where it goes after every wash. Washing your car at home can use more than 100 gallons of fresh water, and the runoff, carrying oils, road film, and chemicals, often flows directly into local waterways. That's why our wash systems are designed with the environment in mind. From equipment to processes, we focus on conserving fresh water and reducing environmental impact, while still delivering a great wash. Beneath the surface, our reclaim or water recycling systems go to work. Used water flows through underground settling tanks where heavier sediment naturally separates. It's then filtered down to about 5 microns, 10 times smaller than the width of a human hair. Specialized reclaim-compatible chemistry helps keep recycled water cleaner and more reusable throughout the system. Then we draw up the clean and reusable water to reapply in our car washes. Harmful impurities are removed and clean chemistry supports safe reuse for rinsing and select applications. Every wash helps reduce freshwater use, supporting cleaner cars, cleaner waterways, and a more sustainable future.